per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you... She was a fairy.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck? Oh my God, are you alright?
No.
Are you alright?